Have you ever wondered how much YouTubers make? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Right off the bat, let me tell you, the answer is as varied as the content they produce. It's a world where a 6-year-old reviewing toys can out-earn a seasoned professional sharing industry insights. It's a realm where entertainment often trumps education, and creativity can be a real goldmine. Let's take a look at the wide spectrum of earnings. On one side, we have someone like Ryan Kaji, the star of Ryan's World. This little tycoon, at just 9 years old, reportedly made a whopping $22 million in a single year, mainly from reviewing toys. Then we have the likes of PewDiePie, who with his Let's Play videos and wacky humor made around $15 million. Not too shabby for playing video games and having a laugh, right? On the other end of the spectrum, we have YouTubers who make a more modest income. An average YouTuber with a decent following might make anywhere from a few thousand to a few tens of thousands of dollars annually. And then there are those who are just starting out or perhaps have not yet found their niche. They might only make a few $100s or, in some cases, not make anything at all. So, what determines these earnings? A multitude of factors come into play. Ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding all contribute to a YouTuber's income. However, the most significant factor is the number of views their videos garner. Now, you might be wondering, how long does it take to start earning? Well, it's not an overnight process. It takes time to build an audience, create engaging content, and establish a brand. For some, it might take a few months. For others, it might take a couple of years. In summary, the earnings of YouTubers vary greatly, from millions of dollars for top content creators to just a few dollars for beginners. The key factors contributing to their income include views, ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. And while it's possible to start earning in a few months, it typically takes a couple of years to establish a substantial presence and income on the platform. Remember, YouTube is a platform that rewards creativity, consistency, and connection with the audience. So, if you're considering this path, focus on these elements above all else. While the monetary rewards can be great, the real satisfaction comes from creating content that resonates with people and makes a difference.